Happy birthday. We love you. Thank you so much, Adrian. But I first thank God for love that He did for the days of my life. He's the number one thing that I have ever wanted in my life. He is my precious one, my God, and His precious Son, Jesus. I love you too much, God. And I love you more and more every day. The longer I live, the more I love you. And I want to thank you for everything you do for love of me and my children, my family, my husband, my mom, and everyone that I love. I love you so much. I can't explain how great your love to me, and your love is too much for me. I'm a sinner, and thank you for allowing me to reach for my birthday again. Love you too much, God, and Jesus, my precious one. Love you, love you, love you forever.